Hello everyone. So I make this first dress, no? And I'm wearing my vintage bag, no? Nabili ko to dun sa ah thrift store dahil doon ka lang makakita ng mga vintage bag. And I love this bag. Bagay to sa Vietnam. And of course, I'm wearing this sandal and I think it's so cute. Kasi napansin ko lang everyone, yung Vietnam kasi, mahilig, yung mga damit nila, there's something na may slit sa gilid. So, my outfit for Vietnam, something na may mga slit, may mga ganito. So, I think it's so sexy. So, this is my first dress by Ate Miss Red. Manahi lang ako today, everyone. So, pakita ko pa yung some of my design, everyone. No? And I love this pink. So cute. Eh. Bagay talaga siya pag namamasyal kami ni Daddy doon sa Vietnam. I think it's so sexy. So, ay, ang ganda ng panahon, everyone. Talagang, it's the red calendar of me today. So, manahi na lang ako muna. So, this is my dress. I love my design.